Hey everyone, quick review here of Ascend BioLabs, also seen under names like Ascend Peptides or Ascend Amino. So, straight to the point. This is a high-risk vendor in my opinion. Now, I did dig through available user feedback, and while there are some positive reviews mentioning fast shipping and decent customer service, that's not the full picture. The biggest issue? Lack of proper third-party testing. Legit peptide suppliers usually provide batch-specific certificates of analysis from independent labs. With Ascend, that kind of transparent, verifiable testing just isn't consistently available. There's also some concern around brand fragmentation, multiple similar storefront names and listings, which can sometimes point to inconsistent sourcing or white-label supply chains. And lastly, the name itself closely resembles established pharmaceutical manufacturers, which can be misleading for buyers. So the bottom line, I wouldn't personally spend my money here. In this space, verified testing matters more than anything else.